1. 1939 Ford Tudor. Price: $27,500. Located: Topeka, Kansas. This 1939 Ford Tudor is a striking custom classic that perfectly blends vintage styling with modern upgrades, making it a standout wherever it goes. Finished in a bold racing raspberry pink, this car commands attention and has a unique personality that sets it apart from more traditional builds. Built in 2000 and driven approximately 6,900 miles since completion, it has been maintained as a reliable and enjoyable cruiser, even though it shows minor signs of age consistent with a well-used classic. Power comes from a dependable 350 V8 engine paired with a 350 automatic transmission, delivering smooth and responsive performance. The car is equipped with a Mustang 2 front suspension and rack and pinion steering, along with a Ford 9-inch rear end, providing improved handling and driving stability. Power steering and power brakes make it easy to drive, while air conditioning and heat add comfort for longer trips. Additional highlights include power windows, remote-operated doors and trunk, and a fully dressed engine with aluminum accessories and cooling components. New radial whitewall tires enhance its classic appearance. Inside, an Alpine stereo system with Infinity Kappa speakers delivers strong audio performance. This 1939 Ford Tudor offers style, comfort, and reliability in one eye-catching classic package. 2. 1950 Chrysler DeSoto. Price: $11,900. Located: Mountain Grove, Missouri. This 1950 Chrysler DeSoto Custom two-door is a well-preserved classic that blends vintage styling with practical upgrades, making it an excellent choice for enthusiasts seeking a reliable and enjoyable cruiser. Finished in a clean gray exterior, this DeSoto maintains its timeless post-war design, featuring smooth body lines and a solid presence on the road. With 64,229 miles showing, it reflects careful use and consistent upkeep over the years. Under the hood, this vehicle is powered by a 350 small block V8 equipped with throttle body injection, paired to an automatic transmission for smooth and dependable driving. The drivetrain is further enhanced by a Ford 9-inch rear end, providing durability and improved performance. This combination delivers a balance of classic character and modern reliability, allowing the car to perform confidently on both short drives and longer road trips. Inside, the cabin offers a comfortable and straightforward driving environment, staying true to its original feel while benefiting from mechanical updates. The overall condition remains good, with everything functioning as it should, making it a ready-to-drive classic. This 1950 Chrysler DeSoto has proven its reliability through multiple long-distance trips, including Route 66 journeys. It is an ideal vehicle for collectors or drivers looking for a dependable vintage car with upgraded performance and classic charm. 3. 1954 Chevrolet Bel Air. Price: $34,000. Located: Claremore, Oklahoma. This 1954 Chevrolet Bel Air Mild Custom is a beautifully built classic that combines iconic styling with tasteful modern upgrades, making it both visually appealing and highly drivable. Finished in an elegant off-white exterior paired with a distinctive purple interior, this car stands out while still honoring its original design heritage. With approximately 16,000 miles on a rust-free build, it reflects a high level of craftsmanship and attention to detail throughout. Under the hood, the Bel Air is powered by a reliable 350 V8 engine paired with a 350 automatic transmission, offering smooth performance and dependable power. The vehicle is equipped with a Fatman front suspension featuring dropped spindles and 11-inch rotors, ensuring improved handling and braking performance. An 8-inch rear end with 3.0 gears provides balanced drivability for both cruising and highway use. Comfort and convenience are enhanced with power steering, power brakes, power windows, and a vintage air conditioning system, making this classic suitable for modern driving conditions. Additional features include all-new glass and rubber components, an upgraded fuel tank, odometer gauges, and new BF Goodrich whitewall tires that complete the car's timeless look. This 1954 Chevrolet Bel Air is a strong-running, well-sorted custom build that offers style, comfort, and reliability in one impressive package. 4. 1954 Chevrolet Bel Air Classic. Price: $6,250. Located: Blair, Nebraska. This 1954 Chevrolet Bel Air Classic offers an excellent opportunity to own a mostly restored and highly usable vintage car that blends original charm with practical upgrades. Finished in a clean white exterior with a tan interior, this vehicle presents well and remains a solid platform for both driving and further customization. With its rust-free body and complete structure, it stands as a dependable and enjoyable classic ready for the road. Underneath, the car has been upgraded with an S10 chassis swap, providing improved handling and drivability compared to the original setup. It features front wishbone suspension, a 10-bolt rear end, power steering, and front disc brakes, making it much easier to drive in modern conditions. Power comes from a healthy small-block 350 V8 engine paired with a TH350 3-speed automatic transmission, delivering reliable and smooth performance. The interior is fully complete, featuring power seats and a comfortable layout suitable for casual cruising or weekend outings. Mechanically, the car runs, drives, and stops as it should, offering confidence to its next owner. While mostly finished, it still allows room for minor improvements, making it ideal for enthusiasts who enjoy light projects. This 1954 Chevrolet Bel Air is a great balance of classic style, usability, and value. 5. 1948 Oldsmobile 76 Series. Price: $12,000. Located: Derby, Kansas. This 1948 Oldsmobile 76 Series is a well-executed resto mod that combines classic post-war styling with upgraded performance and drivability. Finished in a clean white exterior, this vintage Oldsmobile maintains its timeless body lines while benefiting from modern mechanical improvements. With approximately 70,000 miles, it has been driven and enjoyed, yet remains in solid condition, making it a dependable and attractive option for classic car enthusiasts. Under the hood, this Oldsmobile is powered by a strong 400 small-block Chevy V8 engine paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission, delivering smooth and consistent performance. The drivetrain includes a durable 10-bolt rear end, while braking is upgraded with front disc brakes and rear drum brakes, providing improved stopping power. Power steering and power brakes further enhance ease of driving, making this classic comfortable for both city cruising and longer trips. Inside, the cabin retains a simple and functional layout, staying true to its vintage roots while offering a comfortable driving experience. The vehicle's overall setup focuses on reliability and usability rather than complexity, making it ideal for regular enjoyment. This 1948 Oldsmobile 76 Series offers a great blend of classic design and modern upgrades, perfect for anyone seeking a unique, reliable, and easy-to-drive vintage car. 6. 1940 Chevrolet Sedan. Price: $34,500. Located: Omaha, Nebraska. This 1940 Chevrolet Sedan is a beautifully customized classic that blends vintage charm with modern comfort and performance upgrades. Finished in an eye-catching purple exterior with a smooth pearl base and clear coat finish, this vehicle stands out while maintaining its iconic pre-war design. With approximately 10,000 miles, it reflects a well-maintained build that is ready for both show and regular cruising. Power comes from a reliable 350 V8 engine paired with a 700 R4 automatic transmission, offering smooth shifting and strong performance. The car is equipped with power steering and power brakes, along with a GM independent front suspension and a 10-bolt limited-slip rear end, providing improved handling and driving stability. This combination ensures a comfortable and controlled driving experience on various road conditions. Inside, the sedan features a gray cloth interior designed for comfort, along with modern conveniences such as air conditioning, heating, tilt steering, and cruise control. Additional highlights include a CD stereo system, shaved door handles with remote poppers, and relocated headlights behind the grille for a sleek custom look. This 1940 Chevrolet sedan is a well-rounded build that offers style, comfort, and performance, making it an excellent choice for collectors or enthusiasts seeking a ready-to-enjoy classic. 7. 1936 Plymouth Coupe. Price: $36,000. Located, Nevada, Missouri. This 1936 Plymouth Coupe represents a high-potential classic project that has already received significant investment and performance upgrades. Finished in a rich burgundy exterior with a brown interior, this vehicle offers a strong foundation for someone looking to complete a unique and powerful vintage build. With approximately 12,345 miles listed, it reflects limited use since the major work began. Under the hood, the car is equipped with a powerful 440 Mopar V8 engine paired with a 727 automatic transmission and stall converter, delivering serious performance potential once fully completed. The drivetrain also includes high-quality Strange rear-end components, adding strength and durability for high-performance applications. These upgrades indicate that no expense was spared in building this car into a capable street or strip machine. While the project is not yet finished, most of the required parts are included, making it easier for the next owner to complete the build. The body and structure provide a solid base, and the overall setup suggests a thoughtfully planned custom project. This 1936 Plymouth Coupe is ideal for enthusiasts seeking a rewarding project with major components already in place, offering the opportunity to create a standout classic with strong performance and unique character. 8. 1949 Chevrolet Skyline Deluxe. Price, $6,000. Located, Oaks, Oklahoma. This 1949 Chevrolet Skyline Deluxe is a true barn-find classic that offers originality, character, and a solid driving experience. Finished in a classic blue exterior with a tan interior, this vehicle retains much of its factory charm while benefiting from essential mechanical updates. With approximately 55,000 miles, it reflects a long history of careful use, followed by decades in storage from 1972 to 2022 before being brought back to life. After its rediscovery, the car received important maintenance to ensure reliable operation. The carburetor and brake system were rebuilt, while key components such as the fuel tank, fuel pump, water pump, hoses, shocks, tires, spark plugs, wires, voltage regulator, and carpeting were replaced. These updates allow the car to run, drive, and stop as it should, making it a dependable classic for casual use. The majority of the vehicle remains original, preserving its authentic vintage appeal. Minor rust is present above the rear wheel openings and rear rockers, but repair panels are included for those who wish to restore it further. This 1949 Chevrolet Skyline Deluxe is an excellent entry-level classic, ideal for enthusiasts seeking a running and driving vintage car with originality and room for improvement. It offers a rare combination of history, usability, and value. 9. 1948 Mercury Convertible. Price, $20,000. Located, Omaha, Nebraska. This 1948 Mercury Convertible is a charming post-war classic that captures the elegance and style of late 1940s American motoring. Finished in a rich burgundy exterior with a tan interior, this vehicle reflects an older restoration that still presents well and offers a solid driving experience. Its timeless design, highlighted by smooth curves and a distinctive front grille, makes it a standout among vintage convertibles. Powered by a traditional flathead V8 engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, this Mercury delivers an authentic classic driving feel. The engine runs well, and the car drives smoothly, making it suitable for relaxed cruising and weekend outings. While not a high-performance build, it offers dependable operation and a nostalgic connection to its era. The interior remains in good condition, maintaining its vintage appeal while providing a comfortable space for driver and passengers. The convertible top will need replacement, which presents an opportunity for the next owner to refresh and customize it to their preference. The paint shows its age as an older lacquer finish, adding character to the vehicle. This 1948 Mercury Convertible is a solid and enjoyable classic, ideal for collectors or enthusiasts seeking an affordable vintage drop-top with style and potential. 10. 1940 Chevrolet Business Coupe. Price, $21,500. Located, St. Joseph, MO. This 1940 Chevrolet Business Coupe is a well-built hot rod that combines classic styling with modern mechanical upgrades, making it both reliable and enjoyable to drive. Finished in a clean blue exterior with a gray interior, this coupe presents a timeless look while offering improved performance and drivability. With only around 300 miles since its recent updates, it remains in very good condition and ready for the road. Under the hood, the car features a newly rebuilt 350 Vortec V8 engine paired with a 400 automatic transmission, delivering strong and dependable power. The drivetrain is supported by a Chevelle rear end, while the front suspension has been upgraded with a Mustang 2 setup for improved handling. Power disc brakes in the front and drum brakes in the rear provide confident stopping ability, complemented by power steering and power brakes for ease of driving. The body is reported to be free of rust or filler, reflecting quality workmanship and careful maintenance. The car was recently inspected and refreshed by a professional hot rod builder, ensuring tight performance and reliability. This 1940 Chevrolet Business Coupe is a solid, turnkey hot rod ideal for cruising, shows, or enjoying classic performance with modern comfort. 11. 1956 Chevrolet Bel Air. Price, $25,000. Located, White City, Kansas. This 1956 Chevrolet Bel Air is a beautifully preserved classic that captures the timeless appeal of 1950s American automotive design. Finished in a striking red exterior paired with a matching red interior, this vehicle delivers the iconic look that has made the Bel Air one of the most recognizable classics ever produced. With approximately 40,631 miles and only 2 owners, it reflects a history of careful ownership and consistent care. Under the hood, this Bel Air is powered by a remanufactured Chevrolet 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, offering reliable performance and smooth drivability. The upgraded powertrain provides a balance between classic character and modern usability, making it suitable for both relaxed cruising and longer drives. The engine runs strong, and the overall mechanical condition supports dependable operation. The body is described as rust-free, with solid floors and rockers, and the car has always been garage-kept, helping preserve its excellent condition. The interior remains very clean and well-maintained, matching the exterior's vibrant presentation and providing a comfortable environment for both driver and passengers. This 1956 Chevrolet Bel Air is an ideal choice for collectors or enthusiasts seeking a clean, well-kept classic that offers style, reliability, and true vintage charm ready to be enjoyed.